Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points and features of the exterior and interior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go a bit more in depth of the interior details. So the vehicle we have here is presented in the carbon black and is the 420D MSPORT GRAN COUPE. Alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside enhancing the vehicle even further by fitting the 19-inch 2019 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You'll see at the front of the vehicle it is a 2017 17 plate and is enhanced even further by having the facelift. So you do get the facelifted LED headlamps, which we have got the darkened inserts, which look very nice and give a much more aggressive stance to the whole vehicle. Down the side of the vehicle you'll see the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing that the vehicle does come with on the rear windows. Heading on for a glance at the interior, where you'll see the vehicle does come with the black Dakota leather, which has both the heated and electric lumbar options. Alongside that it's got the very nice brushed aluminium and high gloss trims. The rear seat arrangement for the 4 Series GRAN COUPE has got the ISOFIX 3-seat rear arrangement with the centre folding armrest, and again there you can see just how nicely presented that all is. Alongside that it has got the darkened MSPORT headlining, again just showing you off, thanks to the fact that the alloys are all brand new, they are completely unmarked as you can see there. Towards the rear of the vehicle, again another nice feature of that facelift is these LED rear lights, and we've also got both matching high gloss rear diffuser and the spoiler. Opening up that tailgate, which is of course automatic opening and closing, you'll see just how large that boot space is and how clean and tidy everything is inside there, along with split folding seats to further enhance that already very large space. And again just showing you how sharp those LED facelift lights really are, alongside that very nicely presented carbon shorts metallic black paint. At the other side of the vehicle, again I'll just take one last look at the alloy wheels with the shelves before I head on inside to take you around a bit more detail of the interior features and of course specifications. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, first thing I'll do is just start the vehicle up and we'll run through a couple of the features that are on the professional wide navigation and media screen. Again, as part of that facelift they did slightly improve and tweak the iDrive screen and features. They've now separated everything into a nice user-friendly, more eye-catching and a bit nicer on the eye system. Straight away you'll see that we've pulled up the map feature there. And again, this is a very user-friendly system and is a very easy one to use. We're using real-time traffic updates to keep you on that fastest route as possible. In terms of media, you get DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, DAB and USB and AUX, and of course Bluetooth audio, along with Bluetooth telephone. Heading back to the very main menu, I'm going to go ahead in a second and just show you all of the vehicle service requirements and service status, not before showing you of course the dual climate control, and this is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. You'll also be able to see that we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox on this car, and you'll see we've got the flappy pedals situated behind this multi-function MSPORT steering wheel, along with the cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. This 4 Series has covered just over 31,000 miles and does have very nice full BMW service history, as we're about to see in a moment. 13,000 miles till next service is due, and as you can see there now on screen, there is the full BMW service history that accompanies this car. The last visit to BMW was just over 31,000 miles, and that was just for a brake fluid check and service, along with a vehicle inspection, which is where a certified BMW technician checks all of the relevant filters and of course all of the brakes and associated service items to make sure that they're all okay and do not need replacing. The service before that, which we'll just check and show you, was at 27188, which was for a full service, which is great news because it does mean of course when it's time for the next service in 13,000 miles time, it's just going to be for a very basic oil and oil filter change. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course links to our website down in the description box. If you are wanting to be kept up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, this is certainly the place to do it. So to make sure you are of course first in line to do so, hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified every time a new in stock vehicle comes here to Your Next Car. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.